in this video lecture I'm going to fix no module name thinker in Python programming language. So let's see the code. So here this is the simple thinker project. So here I'm going to run this project. Okay, so here I'm getting the error message no module thinker. Okay, so let's rerun. Start doing Python file, and here this is the problem. It's come no module name thinker. So how to fix this problem? First I'm going to show you what Python that I'm using. So right here Python. So here you can see Python 2.718 version that currently I'm using. So we can fix this problem if we use any Python 3 version. So first I'm going to cancel this one. Let's open the control panel. So uninstalling this Python 2.7. Now click on OK. We can see there is no any Python 2.7 out there. Next is here we can check with command prompt write Python. So it's migrated to another site. So but here there is no any Python. So next I'm going to install the Python 3.7 version. So here Python 3.79, add path, new installation. Now here you can see Python 3.79 setup was successful. Close, and now let's here you can see on the control panel. So we need to refresh. So let's back and come again. Write P 3.79 that install. You can check on the command prompt Python. So 3.79 that install. After that, here let's go to this place and cancel and try to run and debug Python file. So here Python file. Okay, let's close that and open once again. So here it asking about to select the Python interpreter. Select Python. So that I just installed Python 3.79. Select that. Now click on this run. So this time there is no any error. So Python 2.7 version has the problem. Other can be, but Python 3.79 it has no any problems related with thinker. So that here it's printing and working fine or thinker. There is no any error. So this is the way we can fix this issue no module name thinker inside Python. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.